Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of our series on prototyping apps for free using Framer Web. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through importing your design files from Figma into Framer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transfer your beautiful Figma creations into Framer so you can bring them to life with interactive prototypes. No confusion, no funny business, just a smooth workflow. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Framer. Just open up framer.com in your browser. Once you're in, direct your eyes to the very top left corner. There's a main menu hiding up there with everything you'll need to get started. Go ahead and click on File. Inside that dropdown, you'll notice an option called Import from Figma. Click on that. Now, as soon as you do this, something new is going to show up on your screen. A little plugin window will pop out like a friendly helper. You'll see a button called Get Plugin. Click on this, and what Framer is actually doing is giving you a bridge. It's like a teleporter between Figma and Framer that handles all the busy work so you don't have to reconstruct your designs from scratch. Next, after clicking that, your browser will open a fresh tab, here, where you want to use the Open In button. But what does that mean? Figma is asking which file you want to work with. So in this new tab, go ahead and select the file you've been designing in. This could be anything, your latest app screen, a landing page, whatever you're excited about. Choose that file. In a split second, Figma will take you straight to your file, and you should see the plugin pop up in the corner, ready to help out. This plugin is super important. It's like your assistant for this next part. Here you'll see an option that says Run and Open. Click that. If you've never used plugins in Figma before, don't worry. This step is just letting you interact with the transfer tool. Once you're inside the plugin, take a moment to select the specific layer or frame you want to bring into Framer. For example, if your app design has several pages or elements, you can import just one at a time, giving you full control. Click to highlight the layer. Now you'll see an option that says Copy to Clipboard. This is what's actually moving your design data over. Click that button. It might feel almost too simple, but this copy function is what grabs all the necessary information behind the scenes. Head back over to your Framer tab. All you'll need to do now is paste. Just use Command+V or Control+V on your keyboard, or right-click and select Paste. Instantly, your selected Figma layer appears in Framer, ready to start prototyping and adding interactions. If it takes a moment to appear, don't stress. Sometimes big files need a few seconds to process, but you'll see it pop in soon. And that's it, you've just imported your first Figma file directly into Framer. From here, you're ready to start animating, linking up interactions, and really making your design feel like a real app. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. Got any questions or need a bit more guidance? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And if you're excited to keep learning more about Framer and prototyping tricks, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.